Today I am introducing you our SP project. It is basically a voice recognition system using EMG sensor. First of all, let's see the EMG sensor. It's the EMG sensor that will detect data from our muscles. It has three electrodes. These are its electrodes. The green is connected to our main muscle from which data is taken, and the red is connected to that same muscle at some distance. It will detect the random signal generating in that muscle. Okay, here is the ground. It is usually connected to the bone of any bone you can connect. Here is our EMG sensor. Here are the power supply of EMG. The positive and negative of these batteries is shorted to connect the ground. There, our EMG sensor takes three inputs: voltage, positive, negative, and ground. Okay, here is we connect positive and negative to give it a ground. Here is live wire positive and it is negative. Okay, so we connected ground. We also giving the supply from that power source to also our AD620. It is output signal wires of EMG sensors are signal and ground that are going to our AD620 and are connected to the plus S and negative S. The ground is connected to negative S and the signal wire is connected to plus S. Here is its power wires that we are getting it from the same power source. The basic function of the AD620, it is used to amplify signals, have a gain of about 100x, and it is very helpful in to amplify the low frequency or low voltage signals. Okay, the output of the AD620 has negative ground V out. The V out and ground is also shorted. Also, the other wires are also connected to ground other than V out. The V out is going to the our filter. Here is low pass and high pass filter. We made it on whereabout. The ground and all the other grounds except power are sorted here. Here it is the input wire. It is the output wire. The output wire is going to our Arduino Uno. We are reading the data from of our EMG sensor or muscle data via Arduino Uno analog pin. Here is the code of our project. The code is very simple, but the code is inclined toward reducing the noise and to get accurate data. In the first, here the pins are defined, the bound rate and the port of where the Arduino or from which port we are collecting the data. Also, there is setup of serial port sum. Then we are initialize some arrays to gather some data. Then here is the plotting of our signals. So all the plotting functions and code of that plot is here. Some logics and basically main loop is also inclined as our code towards the reducing the noise. The basic logic is that the first 8 high values above the range are gathered and then taken. Average is taken. This average is shown to our plot. The high 8 samples of data is plotted, which results in good accuracy and reduction of the noise. Here is our plot. I am also showing you the data of our plot. The signal has a range of 250 to 300 at the normal. When there is no movement, when there is some movement, the below data is our filter data. As you see, the raw data has maximum high and low values, but the filter data is nearly along a straight line. So we use this data to get the accurate readings and data according to our muscle.